haven't been doing too well on Doordash, guys, but I made it up to 58%, but I've been taking the hit on my customer rating and my completion rate. I can't undersign nothing else, y'all. But check this out. We got a $1.50 peak pay over here in Collinsville, so I'm heading down the road to see if I can get my first order before this peak pay is over with. I'm only scheduled for like an hour, but that's okay because I'm like, you know what? I'm so tired of working the zone that I've been working in, and I'm just ready for something different. New merchants, different streets, different customers, and hopefully get this acceptance rate up past 60%. If it's your first time being here, hit that like button and the subscribe button, because it's probably gonna be a lot of cussing in this video, because DoorDash does tend to piss me off. All right, so we just got our first order, $5.50 for 3.4 miles. Now it says this is a high paying order, and we gonna take it, because you know what? It ain't upside down, but look, there's a $1.50 peak pay. So this is actually a $4 order going 3 miles. So it still could be a $1 tip or maybe even a $2 tip. That's why I'm okay with doing this. That peak pay adds a little extra and makes it acceptable. McDonald's is right here across the street, so we actually good. It's right over there. We're finna go head over, grab that. I don't know if they still doing stacked orders with the McDonald's, but if they are still doing stacked orders, that will be a benefit for us if they decide to do that. We still at 58%. AR did not go up at all. But you know what? It's cool. We got our first order. I'm just happy about that. So far, so good. Off to a good start. They had that thing ready to go. All highway on this one. I love it. All right, so we made it to our delivery. And we got a little bitty dog sitting here. Probably trying to steal this McDonald's bag. I got McDonald's, man. It's McDonald's. I think that dog was trying to steal your McDonald's. He was up in my window like, is that my delivery? Can I get a quick photo for Doordash? Thank you, thank you.
It's their dog.
No, I mean, he seemed cool. I just didn't want to run him over. Like, he ran up behind the tires and then in front. I'm like, oh man, he don't care. He's fearless. Order number 1, done, confirmed. Oh my goodness, that customer only tipped $1. That is crazy. Let me get a screenshot real quick, boom. And then let me go ahead and unpause my dash. That way when this next order come through, we don't miss it. But you know what? I knew it might be a $1 tip though. That's why that peak pay really made that order worth it. And like I say, it was all highway, so it was a nice little easy drive. And hopefully they send me something so I don't have to drive all the way back to McDonald's. Man, this is straight up diabolical right here, man. DoorDash just sent me $7.50 for 11 miles. And that's with a $1.50 peak pay. Boy, that is crazy right there. Little Caesars, I accepted it. I hope and I pray. Nope. Still at 58%. This is crazy. This is a straight up scam. So we heading over to Little Caesars. It's right across the street. And this probably going to be the last one of this dash too. My dash end at 5 p.m. So I basically logged on to do 2 orders. One was profitable. One is not. Let's get it done. Boy, this customer is a whole clown. They ordered extra most bestest pepperoni and extra most bestest cheese. They 11 miles away. This order, guy, it's finna be ready in 5 minutes. This order probably been declined probably about 10 to Kayla, you are a clown and you should not be getting this pizza right now. Woo! First dash is over with. It was only for an hour. We did capture a little bit of peak pay, but we delivered to one clown. So you know what? It is what it is. Now it's time for the next part of my dash. I was able to schedule for another 30-minute increment. So let's go ahead and log in and see what they give me first. We still got a little peak pay going. It looks like they, oh, okay. So it's actually about to be a $2 peak pay. So that's good. We need that extra 50 cents because the clowns is out tonight. If you a DoorDash customer and you tip $1. All right, I'm at Panera. Check this out. The peak pay, the earn by time, normally it's $14.75, a quarter less than my normal zone. But right now with the $1.50 peak pay, it's making it an extra $3 per hour. So you know what? The map is gray. So it's telling me that it's not busy. If it was busy, I would do by offer. I'm going to do earn by time because I only got a 30-minute block. You see it right there, 5:30 to 6. So I'm going to do earn by time because it's giving me that addition to the by hour, and it's going to give me more orders when it's gray like this. Boom. Let's go ahead, click in, see what we get first. Hopefully it's not something that's crazy miles. I just did a 26-mile round trip. And so it's $14.75 normally earned by time. With the $1.50 peak pay, it's actually going to end up being $75 and additional $3. So I said, you know what? The zone was gray. Normally, if it was red, if it was busy, I would have went on the earn by offer with the $1.50 peak pay, whatever, but it's gray. It's 5:30 on a Friday and the map was gray. So I'm scheduled. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do earn by time. It's going to give me an extra $3 per hour. And when the map is gray, you more likely to see orders on the earn by time side. And I need orders. Orders is what I need so I can get my acceptance rate where I want it to. Did 2 orders already, and I'm probably gonna have to do at least 2 more before it even go up. So you know what? I'm going with the earn by time function. Hopefully they just don't send me 10 miles away again. I just did a 22-mile round trip on that last one for $7, man. I need them to keep me in this little 3-mile radius and give me add-ons. So look, as you can see right here, I'm already logged in for my dash, but when you bag out and kind of just want to assess your market, see what it's looking like, you can see if it's busy, if it's gray, if it's dark gray. It's gray. My map is gray right now, so that tells me it's not a whole bunch of orders out there. And if I want to get the best chance at getting orders, earn by time is going to be the way to go. So you know what? That's why I chose to do it. You see it right here. Live promo, $1.50 added to every delivery. So on earn by time, that means we get an additional $3. Let me go ahead and return the dash. I need, look, and the map, it shrunk again. My bubble was bigger than that at first. Now it just shrunk down. And you know what? You may not get nothing. I think it's other dashers. Look, that's a dasher right there. They walking in to get them an order. So you know what? It's orders out here, but it's too many dashers out here. So when you have oversaturation in your market, but it's not a lot of orders out there, that means that they're going to introduce that peak pay just to get them low tip orders out. That peak pay ain't going to give no addition to the good orders because the good orders is already enough dashers out here for that. I just accepted this order. This mug is going 12 miles away. And it's a hand to me customer. This is the only order I'm going to get for this whole shift. And the best part, my acceptance rate didn't go up at all. And number 3, acceptance rate ain't moving at all. Crazy work, man. Crazy work. DoorDash customers, stop ordering stuff from 12 miles away. When you open up the DoorDash app as a customer and you decide what restaurant that you want to order from on any given day, it tells you right there at the top how far away that merchant is from your house. If you don't have 2 times the dollar amount, if you don't have 2 times the mileage in dollar amount for that tip, don't place the order. Don't do it. If you're 10 miles away and you can't tip $15 on your food delivery, don't place that order. Because I'm about to deliver this one pizza. Most DoorDash drivers, when they sign up, they start out with 100. And until you come across a YouTube video or somebody in your community, or you just get a really, really bad offer, you don't even know you need to be declining offers with high mileage. That's why these customers get their order fulfilled, because the new drivers, which is too many new drivers, mostly new drivers, they don't know that you can decline. They don't know that that is an option. All right, so after that absolute debacle, man, that earn by time, man, every single time I think it's a good idea, it's just not. It just ain't, man. I'm done with Collinsville. I'm done. I'm not chasing no peak pay. I knew it was a bad idea. In the back of my head, I knew chasing peak pay was a bad idea, but I did it. I chased it, and it burned me. So I got a little 30-minute shift back in my original zone. We finna just be cool with that. We finna have to be cool with that. You see, it's a nice amount of redness on the map. You can't even see the redness. You know what? Boom, now you can see it. It's a nice amount of redness. We finna see if we can make something happen. Oh my goodness, this order is all the way in Collinsville. Why is this order so far? I'm not even down there. Bro, I'm literally, that's crazy. I'm not even in that zone. They just sent me an order for a zone I'm not even in. I literally have no idea what's going on right now. They just sent me another order for the Collinsville zone, and I'm back up in Edwardsville now. Like, I'm all the way in Glen Carbon, and they sending me orders for a whole nother zone. And I declined the first one, but this second one, I'm accepting it. Cause I'm not finna be declining orders, and I'm trying to raise my AR. I'm on the horn with support, cause I'm letting them know, like, look, they help me out because I cannot make it in time. The pickup time is 5 minutes away, but I am 25 minutes away drive time, so I would automatically get a violation. I don't know why the system is sending me orders that are outside of my zone. So this is the support chat right here. I already explained to them, like, hey, you know, they sent me this order. The pickup time is 5 minutes away. I'm 25 minutes away from this merchant. If I unassign myself, I will get negatively impacted. I cannot do that because I will be at risk for being too low. This order is not in this zone, and I do not have adequate time to get to the merchant. Bruh, they literally just did nothing to help me. Literally just did nothing to help me. They didn't do nothing. They ended the support chat, and now I gotta get a whole new agent. They don't even care. I just told a new agent, please remove me from this order. There is no way I can make it down there in time. There is no way I can make it down there. They is tripping. It's literally impossible to raise your AR because they do stuff like this. They send you bad orders. Please help me. I don't want my ratings negatively impacted. This order is in a whole nother zone and I will not make it. This is what you got to go through as a Doordash. This is ridiculous. I literally got 13 minutes left on this dash and I'm sitting here just trying. That's all I'm trying to do. Just get out of an order. Like, this is crazy. Okay, so I just got a message saying my dash has been paused. I hope that they got rid of that order because this is absolutely crazy, man. I hope so. I'm going to see what he say right here on this one. I have unassigned the order. Thank goodness, man. Thank goodness. Let's go ahead in this little chat. Let me see if my ratings got impacted in any way. Hopefully they didn't, because it ain't nothing I could do about that. Like, come on now. And it's still, they still negatively impacted my completion rate. Doordash is, look, now I'm down to a 91% completion rate. Doordash is straight trash. Acceptance rate didn't go up. Why am I doing this? I'm literally going to get deactivated again, just trying to get a high acceptance rate. Now you see where I'm at. They better not send me no more orders for Collinsville. This is crazy. I should have just stayed my butt at home for all of this. I literally could have just stayed at home. This is straight up nastiness. I mean, horrible. Everything is going down and nothing is going up. This is Doordash in 2024. Man, it's been a long time coming. We finally got our high paying offer in our zone. And it's actually good. No peak pay, no extra frills, no extra sauce. 75, 4 miles, 1 customer. Let's go. At the brand new spot too. Man, you can't, man, it takes so long for things to work out on Doordash. Let's get it. We heading right over there to Bubba Cool's Burritos. They're not even busy. This is perfect. Though every time I've been to this spot, you know, they've been great. Nice and friendly. They give you that Chick-fil-A level of customer service. Only thing that'll make this better though is if we got like an add-on to add on and increase them profits. But you know, it is cool. I'm just happy to finally get a great order with Doordash. Finally, it's been so long. Let's see if they got Lauren's order ready. Let's see, you got to get that logo. Boom, perfect. They be having them ready, but at the same time, this order, the pickup time like 5 minutes away. So we'll see. Uh-oh, they got music. I'm back again. Yeah, y'all got it looked at. Hey, buddy, you the boss?
Yeah.
This is Boss Man right here. You want a burrito, you come holler at him. Kind of nice it looking here. I love this place. Is that for Lauren? No. Yeah, I'm doing DoorDash. I will, but I'm always working so. Alrighty, guys, we got the order. Time to get it dropped off. This is a good customer right here. And once again, shout out to the people at Bubba Cool's Burritos. Come by and check them out. If you were thinking about going to Chipotle or Qdoba or anything like that, you might as well come here first. You see they got customers in and out. This is the spot right here. Make sure if you ever in the Edwardsville area, you check out Bubba Cool's Burritos. They level of customer service, cleanliness, and they super fresh ingredients, guys. You gotta put some respect on their name, like for real. I'm gonna be trying the jalapeno street tacos when I go up in there on one of my off days. But y'all know I'll be working super hard. Shout out to the owner of Bubba Cool's Burritos. That was the guy right there in the green shirt. That's Boss Man right there. Make sure you tell Boss Man Dash and Trader sent you. Let's get this order dropped off. $4.25 base pay. $3.50 tip. Why is the base pay so high on that order? That makes no sense. The order was not ready when I got there. It was a great offer, so I don't see other dashers declining that. I really don't. So maybe they just got a higher base pay coming out of that merchant. That could be possible because we have seen situations, multiple situations, where certain merchants, especially newer merchants on the DoorDash platform, they may have a higher base pay because they may have a newer agreement set up, but that's not the first time I've seen a higher base pay coming out of that merchant. It may not be a bad idea to just post up there. Now, that dash just ended. We got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 orders, and acceptance rate didn't go up at all. Matter of fact, we did 4 orders complete. We accepted 5 orders though, and our acceptance rate stayed at 58%. Absolutely crazy. Matter of fact, it's even worse because it went down from 92%. I literally cannot unassign nothing else ever again unless it's worry-free unassigned. Because this is crazy. This has been the most treacherous stretch trying to get up to 70% acceptance rate I've ever done. I've done it multiple times in the past, but with this new diamond program and with the platinum program in a lot of markets, this has been the hardest experience I've ever had trying to raise my AR. So look, if you're enjoying this video of me making no money, literally no money, like bruh, everything I made today is going straight in the gas tank. If you're enjoying it, do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button and check out this next video that's finna come up in the queue. As long as it's showing my face, click that and watch that.